Well, as a result of the last video, I've got these. Only problem is the leather is literally as stiff as a board. I mean, that's really hard, that leather. It's dried out basically. So to the rescue again. Get this the right way around. The old Sophia shoe cream, renovating shoe cream. That may or may not work. I'm going to have to keep putting it on, and if I find anything else that I can use, I shall report back. But these are going to take a while to soften. Well, the Sophia cream didn't work, and you probably noticed these are a bit shinier now. A saddler told me an old trick, mixing beef dripping, pork lard and beeswax, and rubbing it into the surface, into the grain and into the inner. Now these have had 2 treatments of this, and it's already softened up quite nicely. To the point where I could probably wear them if I want, but I'm going to give them another couple of treatments. Basically a case of slathering it on the inside, getting it on the outside. When it dries on the outside, give it a good old buffing. Now at some point, a lot of old waxes and stuff are coming out of the leather. As it plumps up, it's sort of pushing out the old treatments and old waxes. There you go, look at that, much better. And they've gone like colour of a conker now as well, so quite like that. But yeah, more treatment. This is a sort of halfway through, and then I think the one from my feet will get everything to where it should be, force all the fats into the leather to reach the driest parts in the middle. Once it gets there, those will be nice. They'll be as soft as that particular leather can be. And I think it's originally a reasonably stiff leather anyway, but yeah, taking the mickey a bit before. And I think as we get towards the warmer months, they should bed in nicely. So that's the unction that I made. That's roughly half beef dripping, quarter lard, pig fat, and a quarter beeswax, all melted together and then allowed to set. That produces quite a hard cream, a bit harder than Vaseline, that's that sort of texture. But that doesn't smell too bad actually. You'd think it'd stink, but it's fine. Smells more of the beeswax than anything else. That is what I'm rubbing in. The heat from my fingers melts it as I'm rubbing it in. I'm not using a cloth or anything, just using my bare skin. It does make your skin soft on your fingers as well, so if you've got any cuts or grazes or anything, you could probably cracked skin, you could use it on that. It'd probably be alright. Yeah, but that's an old saddler's recipe. You could probably alter that and put a bit of lanolin in, something like that as well, but I'm not going to go down that route because I didn't have any lanolin knocking about. Beef dripping, lard, easy enough to get, less than £1, you're talking less than £2 to buy them. Add some beeswax, and yeah, I'll be using the beef dripping when I cook anyway, so no worries. And the lard, no worries there. And the beeswax gets used for furniture and whatnot. But yeah, that should do a good job, I think. Fingers crossed. Well, as you can see, I've been wearing them a while. I did apply another couple of applications of the fat and wax mix, and it's softened them up nicely, plus the heat from my feet when I'm wearing them has bedded them in quite well. Quite comfortable actually. They've got a bit of a sheen on now, just polished them, and as you can see, what a fantastic colour. Stand up. If you compare them to how they were, got a lovely horse chestnut colour about them. Used a bit of brown and red shoe cream plus a bit of brown polish on top. Not put a mirror finish on or anything, doesn't need them, but they are industrial shoes after all. But yeah, ready to work. I'm quite pleased with that. It's basically restored them and given them a new life. There we go, that's a better view of them, resplendent in the sunshine. If you'd like to support my channel, I've got a buy me a coffee link. The link is in the text below the video. So if you'd like to buy me a coffee, it'd be much appreciated and will help me to continue making videos. Thank you.